Today is the day. It is time to announce the winners of the Zoidie giveaway and the Zoil giveaway. And I do want to take the time real quick to just say thank you guys for being a part of this giveaway. And I just cannot wait to give you guys these goodies. Oh, I can't wait to send it out, y'all. Thank y'all for being a part of it. Thank you for joining. And I cannot wait to give the winners. So remember, I did put out a video showing everything that's a part of both giveaways, but I could say it again real quick. So both giveaways are gonna have a ton of stationery that came from my trip from Go Wild. One of my main purposes for going was to do a giveaway. So I tried to get as much stuff as I could. So in the Zoidie giveaway, you will be getting a lot of fun stationery and a brand that you might not even had before, as well as something that's unreleased. So that'll be fun. And then of course for the Zoils, those are my paid members, y'all. Thank y'all for paying and thank y'all for being Zoils. Let me do a quick acknowledgement right here. Because y'all did that. So thank you. And then of course for my Zoils, they will be getting more stationery than the Zoidies and a $50 gift card. So whoever wins will be getting all these lovely items. So I can't wait. I know y'all see that gift card. I know that's what everybody looking at, that gift card. I know that's about the gas money, y'all. That's about the gas money. All right, let's go ahead and let's choose a Zoidie. I know it's not the best. Hopefully next time more y'all apply. I need this jar to be filled to the top, okay? Well, I mean, if too many of y'all apply, I might have to find a different way to do it because I take the time to write everybody's names. All right, let's go ahead and pull a name. Let's shake it around. My ring's in the way, y'all. Let's do this one. All right, got one. The winner of the Zoidie giveaway, that's the free subscribers, by the way, is bunny.honey.creations on Instagram. So I want to take the time to say congratulations. So I will be contacting you on Instagram. And remember, you have 48 hours to respond or else I will have to pick a new winner. So please make sure you respond, okay? When I hit you up, bunny.honey.creations. Congratulations. All right. I could not do ASMR because what are these nubs supposed to... Okay, so it's time to pick a Zoil. Those are the paid members. So yeah, this one is quite a bit too. It's almost the same amount, actually. I was really proud. Oh my God, now my ring. Hold on, let's do this one. All right, pull one out. Let's see who it is. The winner for the Zoil giveaway is Nixter Budgets on Instagram. So congratulations, Nixter Budgets. And do you actually do budgeting? Because the sister needs some help over here. So if you do your budgeting on Instagram, can you let a sister know? But just showing y'all, that's the winner, y'all. I don't even know if y'all see this paper because this paper is flimsy as hell, but it's so pretty. Look, my friend got me a notebook for my birthday and look how cute it is. Just a reminder that the winner of the Zoidie giveaway is Bunny Honey Creations. Congrats. And then the winner of the Zoil giveaway is Nixter's Budgets. So congratulations, guys. I will be hitting y'all up on Instagram so I could ship y'all stuff. And remember to respond. If you want your stuff, you got to respond. So be on the lookout for my DM. And I want to thank you guys again for joining the giveaway and for watching this video. Stay tuned. I don't know when the next one's going to be, but I want it to be soon. And for my members, since I've gained more members, you guys will now be getting like private giveaways. So I'm excited. Stay tuned. Don't know when it'll be, but anyways, because I don't want this video to be long, you know, I can get talking. So y'all have a good Sunday. And also, happy Father's Day.